Hello and welcome back to part 8 of my Chess Engine series. In this video, we are going to be giving the king the ability to castle. Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to do is make checkscanner public. Then in the king class, we're going to make a private Boolean method called canCastle that takes in a column and a row. And by default, it's going to return false. And we should call it here as well. So, or if canCastle at the column and the row. So, to make it, we can just say if if this dot row is equal to row, then if the column is equal to 6 for the king side castle, we can say piece rook is equal to board.getPiece at 7 and the current row. Then, if the rook is not equal to null, and the rook is the rook's first move, and it's the king's first move. If all of that is true, then we return board.getPiece at 5 and the current row is equal to null. I'm just going to copy that. Then and getPiece at 6 is equal to null. And we are not in check at, so board dot check scanner dot is king checked. We're going to create a new move, pass in the board, this piece, the king, 5, and the current row. Just like that. Then we can copy this. So else if the column is equal to 2, then we just change this to a 0, then add another piece here, and go 3, 2, 1, change this 5 to a 3, and just like that, it should be good to go. Then in the board class, we can change a few things. So just like how we have a move pawn method, we're going to say private void move king. Going to take in a move. Just like that. Then here we can say else if move.piece.name is equal to king. We're going to say move king, like that, then pass in the move. And we're actually going to delete this and keep this here, but then in the move pawn, we can delete this. Then in the move king method, we can say if math.abs move.piece.column minus the new column, so move.newColumn is equal to 2. That way we know that we are trying to castle the king. We're going to say piece rook, then if move.piece.column is under the new column, so castling to the king side, we're going to say the rook is equal to getPiece at 7 and move.piece.column, like that. We can then say rook.column is equal to 5, I believe. to change the position of the rook. We can then say else the rook. Let me just copy and paste this. We then change the 7 to a 0 and the 5 to a 3. Like that. Then we change the x position of the rook by going rook dot x position is equal to the rook dot column times tile size, like that. Oh, this should be row, not column, my bad. Now if we move all of the pieces up, just to test for a castle, we can see that we can castle the king kingside, but if we already castle it, we can't castle 2 times. And we can castle the king queenside. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.